All right, we've covered the main events, but now we get to the wild cards. These are the factors that are lurking outside of just raw compute and storage that can totally swing the final cost one way or the other.
And maybe the biggest wild card in this whole fight is Azure's hybrid benefit. Here's the deal. If your company already owns a bunch of Microsoft software licenses, for servers running in your own data center, Microsoft lets you bring those licenses with you to the cloud. This is huge because it means you only have to pay for the raw infrastructure, not the software license all over again.
And trust me, this is a total game changer for any company that's already deep in the Microsoft world. The money you save by not having to rebuy licenses for Windows Server or SQL Server can easily wipe out any small differences we saw in instance pricing earlier.
Now, on both platforms, you also have to watch out for these so-called hidden costs. Stuff you don't always think about at first. Things like load balancers, moving data between different parts of the world, and especially those enterprise-level support plans. All of this stuff can add up really, really fast, and you have to factor it into your budget.
So, the final bell has rung. All the rounds are fought, all the points have been tallied. Who gets their hand raised in victory?
And the judge's decision is, it's a split decision. I know, but there's no single one-size-fits-all winner. The most cost-effective platform isn't some universal truth. It depends completely on what you are trying to build.
It really all comes down to your specific use case. Let's look at the final scorecard. If you're running a small web app, yeah, AWS's per-second billing might just give you the edge. But if you're archiving petabytes of data or running a massive SQL Server farm, Azure's pricing and that hybrid benefit probably make it the hands-down win.
So how do you find your champion? It's actually pretty straightforward. First, you have to carefully map out what you think you're going to use. Step 2, plug that model into the official pricing calculators from both AWS and Azure. They're free. And finally, step 3, make sure you factor in all those long-term discounts and any of those special license deals you might be eligible for.
Look, the goal here isn't to find the cheapest cloud platform overall, it's to find the cheapest one for you. Now that you understand how these different rounds play out, you're equipped to look at your own project, analyze your own needs, and pick the true cost champion for your specific fight.